Hello everyone. So this is a analysis of these games here from this one. So these are the story of this one from this GM Boris Papi. So it means I have sad news from everyone here from this one. So GM Boris Paki is passed away at the age of 88. So it means February 27, 2025 in Moscow, Russia. So it means before his death. So it means at the age of 88 years old. So it means old man from this one. So it means this is the pass away of this GM from this one. So so she he was born on January 30, 1937 in St. Petersburg, Russia. So it means he was born on this one in this Russia here. So this is a analyze of this year 2020 from this one during pandemic in this one from this COVID-19 virus. So I have a analyze of this. I chose this one. So it means two games from this analyze here from this one. So it means these are the GM Boris Paki and also GM Ben Larsen. So it means these are the so it means first game. So in this first game from this one, you have analyze of these chess games in this one. So white plays Boris is d4, knight f6 Ben, c4, e6 is called East Indian defense, and also knight c3 book lines, and also bishop b4 is called Nimso Indian defense variation. So it means book line. So it means book lines from this one. And also bishop g5 book line again, or maybe with a pin without queen. So it means pin. So it means without queen from this one. And also c5 book line. So it means found on this booklet. And also d5. So it's called a Nimso Indian defense Leningrad variation. So it means variations from this one. Still booklet. So it means another found on this booklets here from this one. And also bishop takes c3 check. So it means book line again. So it means book line. So it means found on this book move here from this one. And also pawn takes bishop book line. Maybe book lines here from this one. And also e5. Oh my god, e5 is not found on this booklet. Oh, so it means e5. So it means old main line is used is d6, or maybe here is castle kingside here. So simple develops here from this one. So it means use from these developments here. So back novelty is e5 here, and also knight f3. So it means develops here from this one, and also d6. Oh, look at that. Simple as that is very good decisions here by GM Ben. And also knight d2. Oh, knight d2 with the idea of GM Boris Paki with a move here by knight b3. Oh, knight b3 here still develops by focusing here move by GM Boris Paki. And also h6 with a threat by bishop, and also bishop backwards h4, and also knight bd7. Oh, knight bd7 here. Simple as that. It's very good focus master by GM Ben. And also e3, and also knight f8. So it means knight f8 with the idea of this one move by knight g6. Oh, simple as that develops here from this one. And also bishop d3. Simple is that very developed by solutions by GM Boris. And also knight g6 with a good good decisions by GM Ben. So it means without threat by bishop, still continue target bishop here. So it means develops here. And also bishop g3, and also castle kingside, and also knight e7. So it means knight e7 here. They developed here by GM Ben. And also f4, pawn takes f4, rook takes f4. Oh, simple is that. It's a very strongest decisions by GM Boris Pagi. So still by historical. So it means learn to how to play chess. So it means we need to study of this lesson of this chess game. So it means chess lesson. So it means read of this studying from these chess books. And also knight g6. So it means knight g6 by GM Ben, target by rook. Oh, with a threatening by rook. So it means after knight g6, so it means with the first puzzle, find brilliant move. Find brilliant move by GM Boris Pavli. So while waiting for couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats from everyone is Rook takes f6 sacrifice. Brilliant move by GM Boris Paki. What a nice grandmaster from this GM Boris. Very strongest move. So see the very evaluations bar. So it means very good strongest move. So it is sacrifice or maybe brilliant move by GM Boris. And also queen takes rook. Queen takes rook here. And also knight e4. Good move by Boris. So it means with a threat by queen. Still develops here from this one. Or maybe with a develops here with a move here is bishop. Bishop. So it means bishop with a threat by d6. I'm sorry, I got cough. Or maybe strongest move here. And also queen d8. And also knight takes d6, so it means develops here. And also queen g5, good move by GM Ben. Still develops here, or with a threat by here by e3 without check, or still dangerous here. With a threat, or maybe with a threatening here from this one, so it means with a threat by e3 without check. And also queen d2, defense protects by e3. And also b6, still develops by solutions by GM Ben. And also knight e4, so it means knight e4 by GM Boris, so it means with a threat by queen. With a threat by queen here, but still with the idea with a focusing with a great master by GM Boris here from this one. And also queen backwards d8. Simple as that. It's very, we need to backwards here. And also rook f1 and also f5 with a threat by knight. And also knight back by d6. So it means knight back d6. Or maybe with a threat by bishop. Threat by bishop here. Or stay with a move here, or maybe move by knight b5. Move by knight b5 here. Still develops here. And also another good move is f4. Pushes with the strongest move. Or maybe with a threat bishop. Or maybe with a threat by e3. With a threat. So it means with a threat by this double. And also pawn takes. And also queen takes knight. Repeat. So it means, after that, so it means capture this f4. What happened if you queen here with a threat with a knight? Why? Because the covering of this one, because covering by pawns here, so it is develops here, or maybe with a threat, so it means queen with a threat by knights, or maybe with a covering by pawns here. And also decided is queen takes knight here, so it means it's decided with this capture this GM Benz here. And also f5. What a good move by GM Boris Paki. So it means so f5 with a good move with a threat, or maybe with a threat by knights, or maybe bishop with a threat by queen. With a double threat. So it means with a what a great master by GM Boris from this one. So it means historical from this one without solutions, developments, or maybe how to know how to great master of this chess here for this one. And he decided is and he decided back is queen d8 here. We just decided go back to queen d8 here. And also pawn takes knight. Pawn takes knight, so it means you need to capture this one. Or maybe with a threat. Oh, with a threat by rook. Oh. So it means with a threat. And also good move is rook takes f1 check. And also king takes king takes f1. King takes f1 here with the develops here. Or maybe with a danger by queen f f8 check. Oh, and still develops here from this one. So it means develop solutions here, and also queen f6 check. Oh, so it means queen f6 check, or maybe without check. Check, or maybe without decisions, or maybe with a check. Checking here. And also queen f4, so it means queen to queen, or maybe queen to queens here. And also bishop d7, or bishop d7 with a move by rook rook f8. Oh, double, so it means with a threat, or maybe with a threat, or maybe queen to queen here, so it means develops here with a capture this one. And also king e2, for example. So why don't we capture its queen to queen? So it means queen takes f6 here from this one, and also pawn takes queen. With the develops here, so it means situations from this one without bishop to bishop, or maybe rook and bishops here, or maybe develop. Oh, look at that! Very star move here from this one. Best moves. A very best moves here from this one. So after that is Ah, so after is king e2 here from this one, and also rook f8. What a good decisions by GM Ben. So it means develops here, or maybe we decided to move by king e2 without GM Boris here, and also queen takes queen, and also pawn takes queen, and also king f3. King f3 here from this one, and also rook e8, and also bishop f2, and also h5 with the pushes, and also h3, king g7, so it still develops here from this one. And also g4. Simple is that g4 here, and also capture this one check, and also capture this pawn, and also oh, rook h8. Rook h8 here, developed without check, or maybe with a move by check here from this one. And also d6 here from this one, so it means develops here by move by strongest without pushes, without develops here from this one. And also rook h1, rook h1 with the evaluation bar, but still question mark, still bad move by GM Ben. So the one's computer is bishop e8, so still with a threat, with a threatening by g6. Still develops here from this one. So back there is rook h1, and also good move bishop f5. What a good move by strongest move by GM Boris. So still we need to focus, concentration, or maybe with a brilliant brains here from this one. And also bishop c6 check. Oh, why avoided here? So it means why don't we capture if you bishop takes captured, or maybe pawn takes. Or see that? Oh, very skilled from this one. Still talented, very focusing here for this one. Or still solutions here. So bishop c6 check here, and also king e2. King e2 here, or maybe develops here from the strongest move here. And also rook h3. Rook h3 here, and also push d7. Oh, what a push by Boris, or maybe with them promotes by queen. Oh, still develops here from this one. And also rook h8. Oh, good move. Oh, still good move here without stop by promotes here. And also bishop g3, and another good move is rook d8 with a stopping by without pawns, or maybe without stop stop promoting here from this one, and also with the last shot of bishop c7. So decided by GM Boris Paki and GM Ben Larsen, so still a great draw. A great draw from this one, so it means draw. So it means game one. I mean game one, so it means draw from this one. I thought but it from this draw from this one. So it means next game two. So exchange without white pieces by Ben Larsens from GM Ben Larsens, and also black pieces by GM Boris Paki. So let's see. So the second games here. So it means white pieces between from GM Ben Larsens and black pieces from this GM Boris Paki. So it means second games, analyze game of this one started games from this analyze. So white plays Ben is b3. B3 by Nimsowich Larsen attack. E5 by Boris. Bishop p2. So it means Nimsowich Larsen attack, modern variation from this one. And also knight c6, c4. So it means c4 is called English opening, King's English variation. So it means without modern by King's English, so it means without is called English. So it means variation from this one. And also knight f6, knight f3. So it means knight f3, so it's still bookline here from this one. And also push e4. So it means push e4 here, without by move by threat by bishop, or still with a threat by knights here, or maybe without continuation. So it means without threatening by knights, without continuations here. And also knight d4. So it means knight d4, or maybe with a threat by knight. So it is ready if I capture this one. And also bishop c5. So it means bishop c5 is novelty by Boris. So it means novelty. So it means old main line is continue capture these knights, or maybe bishop takes capture. Oh, star, look at that. Just move from this one. So it means old main lines here. So back there is bishop c5, and also knight takes c6, pawn takes knight, and also e3. So it means developed by without continuations here. And also bishop f5. So it means good decisions by GM Boris. So it means developments here, or maybe with a defense by with a double from this one. And also queen c2, and also queen e7. So it means without ready from this castle king side, or maybe castle king side. Oh, without castle king side, or maybe castle, or maybe by castle queen side here. So it means without choose, or maybe left or right here from this one. And also bishop e2 and castle queen side. So it means developed by good decisions by GM Boris from this one. And also f4. So it means f4. Oh my god, still low evaluation bar, but still bad move by question mark by GM Ben. So the best moves there is move by a3 here. Oh, see, look at the evaluation bar, still higher from this one. Oh, so the evaluation bar is okay, so it means good decisions here. So it means back there is f4 here, and also good move is knight g4. What a good move by GM Boris. But still focusing by move, or maybe determinations by without continuations by solutions. And also g3. So it means g3 here, and also h5. So it means h5 here. So it means without continuation. So it means without push, or maybe push by h4 here. So it means continuations here. And also h3. So it is without with a threat by knights, or maybe bishop here. Oh, still continuations here from this one. Without attack by knights here. So next puzzle with the realized second puzzle with a fine brilliant move by GM Boris Paki. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is H4. Another brilliant move. So it means brilliant move by GM Boris Paki. So it means develops here. Or maybe focusing by without strongest move, without thinking from this one. So it means brilliant move by GM Boris Paki. So it is great master from this one in this history here. And also decided is pawn takes knight. So it means develops here. So it means continuations by solutions here. And also pawn takes g3. So it means develops here, or maybe without move by rook to rooks here, or without check, or maybe continuations here from this one, or without check. And also decided is rook g1 by move by with a developed by GM Ben. So it means another puzzle. So it means puzzle is find another brilliant move by GM Boris Paki. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is boom Rook H1, another brilliant move sacrificed by GM Boris Paki. So it means what a nice shot by GM Boris Paki, sorry. That means Boris Paki from this one. So it means what a good strongest move by GM Boris Paki. So it means brilliant move sacrifice. And also Rook takes captured. And also good move is push g4. I sorry, push g2. Sorry, sorry, I forgot something. So it means push g2. So it means without threatening by rook or still with a danger from this one. And also rook f1 and also queen h4 check. So it means queen h4 check without move. And also last shot is king d1. Oh, look at this queen or winning this one. So it means the white pieces is is give up from this one. So it means give up by GM Ben. So why he's give up? Because for example, if your bishop takes captured, or maybe if you capture this bishop, or maybe simple is queen takes g4 check. Or what do you think if you move by king c1? Or decided is promotes by queen or g takes f1 queen and also queen d1 and also queen takes d1 mating net. So still what a nice shot is good strongest move by winning by GM Boris Paki. So it means the winner of this one is GM Boris Paki. And so I hope the GM Boris Paki is coming up to heaven from this one. So it means this is a last pass by GM Boris Paki. So it means 1937 to 2025 here from this one. So when he rests in peace, GM Boris Paki. And I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much here from this one. I'm Mark Luwagi 17. I aka I cool Mark 17 and Mark Luwagi 17. Have a good day, keep safe and adios. When he rests in peace, GM Boris Paki. Bye bye.